In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add slicers to a pivot table in Excel. Slicers are a simple, visual way to filter your pivot table without digging through drop-down menus. They let you click buttons to instantly show or hide data, which is especially helpful when you're presenting or exploring large data sets. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure you already have a pivot table created. Your data should be organized in a proper table format, with clear column headers and no completely blank rows or columns inside the data range. If you don't have a pivot table yet, you can quickly create one by selecting your data, going to the Insert tab, and choosing Pivot Table. Then placing it on a new or existing worksheet. Once your pivot table is ready, click anywhere inside it. This step is important because Excel only shows the pivot table specific tools when the pivot table is selected. You'll see the Pivot Table Analyze or Analyze tab appear in the ribbon, depending on your version of Excel. With the pivot table selected, go to the Analyze tab at the top. Look for the group labeled Filter, and there you'll find the Insert Slicer button. Click Insert Slicer. A window will pop up showing a list of all the fields in your dataset, such as region, product, category, or date. In this window, choose the fields you want to use as slicers. For example, if you want to filter your pivot table by region and product, check those boxes. You can select one or multiple fields, depending on how much control you'd like over your filtering. When you're done selecting, click OK. Excel will now create slicer boxes on your worksheet, one for each field you selected. Each slicer contains buttons representing the unique values in that field. For instance, a region slicer might show buttons for North, South, East, and West. To use a slicer, simply click one of the buttons. Your pivot table will instantly update to show only the data matching that selection. You'll see the selected button highlighted, making it clear which filter is active. To select more than one item in the same slicer, hold down the Control key while clicking additional buttons. To clear the filter and show all data again, click the Clear Filter icon in the top right corner of the slicer. You can also resize and move your slicers so your worksheet stays organized. Just drag the edges or corners to adjust the size, and click and drag the slicer itself to reposition it. If you want to format the slicer's appearance, click on it and use the Slicer Tools options that appear in the ribbon to change the style, colors, and number of columns for the buttons. That's it. By adding slicers to your pivot table, you make your reports more interactive, easier to understand, and much faster to analyze.